learning one way of learning one. So our topic is gonna happen. So if we're done terms, so if we're gonna definition terms. So it's gonna be yun na is okay, so parang nanong ganito ba kasi ano is Pianza. So the security given for the release of the person in custody of the law furnished by his order or a ombudsman in guarantee his or her appearance before any court. So with this, and paniyaw saya mga process na pag-release ano sa mga prison o sa mga accused. Next is best interest of the child. So pag singa best interest of the child, una noan, and pwedeng imuon ng bata na committed crime. So the totality of the circumstances and conditions which are most congenial, the survival protection to the feelings of security of the child and most encouraging to child's physical, psychological, and emotional development. So, best interest of the child. So, ito giniwan mga law enforcement at mga disability. Kung ano man pwede mo na sa mga bata na committed crime. Next is one child. So, maraming ng child is ang bata nga 18 below. Next is child at risk. So, let's see child at risk. And bata nga nalagay ha alanganin. Ulit, naingat ko ha situation nga alanganin na kumitiran ng mga crime. So, tungkol na mga factors and being sexual abuse. So, tumani niya na abing ko kanila in abuse sexual, psychological, then physical, mental, economic, of any other means of the parents' guardian. So, next is being exploited, including sexuality or economy. Then, being abandoned, so bayaan niya ng mga anak, iniliglig ng mga parents. Then, coming from a dysfunctional or broken family. So, broken family. So, pag ang broken family, pag ang bata is may a broken family. So, may kabataan na waray makakuli. So, di na nakumit ka rin krimen. Next is being out of school. So, mga kabataan na di rin na-educate. Next is being a street child. So, mga lumaki akoan street. Being a member of a gang. So, then living in a community with a high level of criminality or drug abuse and living in situations of armed conflict. So, next is child in conflict with the law. So, in the word niya, child, pag siya conflict, so, di da unbaptized na committing crime, kaya conflict niyahan ko natin. Then, a child who is of age and as accused of child is managing a judge as having committed an offense under the conflict law. Next is community-based program. So, marami mga case. So, ang community-based program ay sila nag-provide ng mga program. Kaya di ba, under ang provision, ginisip na ito ng mga juvenile, is pwede rin pag na-pressure, is pwede rin makakuhan provision. So, pwede rin makakuhan din na rehabilitate na pero wala rin community with condition. The next is court. So, ang court, maramang hindi na ginakatulan ang tao if guilty or not. Next is deprivation of liberty. Any form of detention, maramang makikita niya, mga detention, or imprisonment, the placement of a child in conflict with the law, in a public or private custodial settings from which the child in conflict with the law is not permitted to live at will by order any judicial administrative authority. So, deprivation of liberty, dinanaan, pag-detain naman sa bata o sa mga tao. Then, the version naman, number 9, is an alternative, so initial alternative to the version, kung duha pa niya, pwede ay katuha, pwede ay rehabilitate, pwede ay katuha, mga treatment o kung ano sa dito. Determining response treatments, treatment for social, economic, psychological, or educational background law, researching the formal court proceeding. So next is diversion program. So, ang diversion program, ang siya yung ipatupad ang diversion. So, next is number 10 is diversion program. So, the program that child in conflict with the law is required to undergo after he or she is found responsible for an offense without resorting a formal court proceeding. So siya na ito, ang diversion program, pag na-diversion, diversion is nakita nga, responsible itong bata nga mag-asuhan. Hindi ka kaya diversion program, so dili may mga program na i-under ito nga bata para ma-treatment niya kung may may daman niya problema. So next is initial contact with the child. So the apprehension or pag-arrest ng bata or taking into custody of the child in conflict with the law by law enforcement officers or private citizens. So initial contact with the child and didan and law enforcement. So ang bata is gindako. So initial gindako ang bata para makasuhan niya. Then next is intervention. So in this intervention, a series of activities which are designed to address issues that cause the child to commit offense. So in this intervention, ang mga program na ito, so pag, di ba, ang bata is nadakot na yan, din nakita nila may problema. So, nasulodhan, kaya raw presyon is nagkakamila intervention. So, di dyan nagkakandak yung program. Kung di ang bata is mahuhuligan kung may mga treatment man niya nga, kinakailangan. So, di na nakatagan counseling, skills training, education, and activities that will enhance his or her psychological, emotional, and psychosocial well-being. Next is juvenile justice and welfare system. So, discuss naman ito yung na system ang nagdidilingan ng kabataan para makuha nila ma-treatment, matagan ng justice kung ano man nangyari, kahit ano naman nangyari gihimo. So next is law enforcement officers. So this is law enforcement officers. So sila na mga officer, mga police, NBI, etc. Then offense, at any act of omission made punishable under special laws or revised penal code as amended. So offense, any act of omission or any criminal activity na ginimuhan sa matao. The next is recognizance. Recognizance and undertaken in lieu of the bond assumed by a parent or guardian who shall be responsible for the appearance in the court of the child is conflict with the law when required. So, ang recognizance, kumbaga, kailangan kumadtuan kag anak or guardian ha-court para makita kung hinuban may sala. So, kailangan ang kag-anak or guardian mag-appear ha-court if required niya. Then, number 7 is restorative justice. So, restorative justice, so pag-restore na sa offender. So, a principle which requires a process of resolving conflicts with maximum involvement of the victim, the offender, and the victim and the community. So, restorative justice, so dito nakatagan natin ang victim satisfying justice para kung ano man nangyari kay anak, pag-panliwat, pag-reconciling lahat offender. So, ikuha niya para ma-treatment niya or kung ano man. Then, public safety para maprotektahan ng mga tao ini ng mga tao na mga delikado. The next is number 18 is status offenses. So, this is status offenses which discriminate only against a child while the adult does not suffer. So, ang status offenses, kung ini nga po niya, bagaan, ang mga sala nga, in-apply lang ang mga kabataan. Example, ang curfew, truancy, parental disobedience, and others. So, siya ito niya, mga offenses nga ikakaso lang ang mga kabataan. The next, youth detention home. So, a 24-hour child care institutions managed by accredited local governments and licensed and accredited non-organizational organizations providing short-term residential care of the children in conflict with the law who are awaiting court disposition of cases or transfer the other agencies of jurisdiction. So, ang youth detention, so dito nagigilitin sa mga bata within 24 hours kaya habang naghulat inulat nila ang court ko na decision. The next is youth rehabilitation center. So, siya na yung hindi naging rehab ito sa bata. 24-hour residential care facility management SWD. So, this will be na nagkakapitin nga di LGU and licensed other accredited NGOs monitored by the SWD, which provides our treatment or rehabilitation. So, siya na ito nila. So, ang mga bata nga nag-child conflict with the law, so litiging rehabilitation center. So, next is siya rin mga important terms to remember din ang mga victims, victimless crime. So, when you say victimless crime refers to the offenses where there is no private offended party. So, baga kung maray at hindi mo mga krimen nga waray victim kung sa dito niya masala. Then RA 10630, an act strengthening the juvenile justice system in the Philippines, amending for the purpose of RA 9344, otherwise known as Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. So, bilis na naman yung so, siya lahat.